I'm Steve Jerry with Donovan Jorgenson Heating and Cooling. We're here today in our New Berlin showroom to talk about the number one thing that you can do for your family's health and the health of your HVAC system. And that's your filter and changing it. We use the same filter at our office that we use in our customers' homes. It's 20 by 25 by 5 inch media filter. It's a MERV 11 that gives us the proper amount of airflow for the furnace and the proper amount of air filtration for your family's health. You may have a 1 inch, a 2 inch, a 4 inch, or a 5 inch filter at your home. Each one has its own recommended replacement interval. You can never change your filter too much. Changing was pretty easy though. Remove the door. Slide the old filter out and throw it in the garbage. Take the new filter with the arrow pointed towards the furnace for airflow and slide it into the furnace. Tap the top down for a proper seal and then replace the door. Stay tuned for more industry tips and helpful hints from Donovan Jorgenson. Have a great day.